Once you switch from Clixlo to go HighLevel, it's going to look super familiar. Just a different logo up here. Now, the one I'm in is my friend's, so that's why I chose her logo, but when you log in, it will have the Go HighLevel logo, which is like 3 arrows going up. And when you first log in, you're not going to see this familiar dashboard. You are going to be in agency view. Even if you go for the lower, which I believe is like $98 a month, it allows you to have 3 sub-accounts. And you need to have at least 1 sub-account, because the sub-account is where your actual website and funnels and everything are going to live. But from this agency point of view, you have a few new options. There's a lot to look at. University, definitely recommend clicking on that. And you also will have an actual support team. And you can have an implementation call and a welcome course and events, all kinds of stuff. Way more support. Yeah. So you might want to play around and figure this stuff out later, but when you're wanting to, basically you go to sub-accounts, you click add sub-account, put in your information just like you did when you signed up for Clixlo. And then whenever you want to, you switch into that sub-account, and then you have all these familiar things. Now, if Go HighLevel moves you over, then everything should already be populated. So, like, this is fantastic. They moved over all 51 pages of this, 20 pages of this. I still have all my samples and stuff, all the templates that I didn't want. All that good stuff. The only thing is you will have to redo your DNS settings to get your website to point to this one. So we're going to go over to settings, scroll down to domains. Oh my gosh, am I wrong? Did it actually connect that too? No way. Whoa. Okay, never mind. Amazing. Okay, so let me check and see if I need to connect my Stripe to connect the Google error. No way. They really transferred everything. I don't have to do a single thing. This is incredible. Well, all right then. So never mind. You're set to go. As soon as you have them transfer you over, it will be exactly the same. And I do think that the $98 is worth it. You're not going to find an all-in-one for less than that. Clearly, we've all been burned by the idea of the lifetime. I would not do that. Again. So there's so much here, and they're always adding new things. You'll often see this little new button there, and you can click in there and look around and see what they've done now. Tons and tons and tons. They're always adding to it. It does everything you could imagine for a website. So I do think that that is a worthwhile price, and I recommend that you take advantage of Go HighLevel moving you over. It should be in your email, the place where you sign up to have them transfer your account off of Clixlo. So even though, yeah, so the main thing is just to know that you can switch between agency view and sub-account view and switch into your sub-account when you want to manage your actual website. That is the main point that I am making this morning. And I will be back with more tutorials soon.